hold on. I know you guys have been watching a lot of car videos from Auto Expo 2023, but now it's time to switch on to some motorcycles, and that's why I am here. And right behind me is Tork Motors. I'm going to walk you through what Tork Motors is offering at this particular expo, and we'll get right to the motorcycles. Follow me. I'm here at the Tork Motors Pavilion, and what I have behind me are two very cool motorcycles. So this is the 2023 Kratos R, and that's the Kratos X. We're going to talk about that in just a bit. We'll get done with the Kratos R first. Now when we talk about updates, the big update that has happened is just color, right? So not just the color of the motorcycle, but you also have the color of the casing. I was almost going to say engine casing, but that's the battery pack. You already have seen a silver color on the casing. From this month onwards, you will see a black casing on every Kratos R motorcycle that will be sold. Apart from that, they've also moved the charging port. Now, if you remember, it was on the side, and now they've moved it and kept it behind the screen. That will also support fast charging, and that is another big update that is being shown here. That's about it for the Kratos R. We'll move on to the Kratos X. Now the X is the performance variant. I don't have a lot of details on the top speed, the acceleration, the kind of changes that have happened in terms of technical specifications. But what I can tell you is that the Kratos X will now feature a fourth mode. So you already have Eco City Sport, and there is a new mode which is the top of the line mode. It's called FF. FF stands for, the vegetarian version of it is called Furiously Fast, but the non-veg is called F-in Fast. If you know what I mean. Not just that, there are serious changes. So one, they have an updated powertrain. Second, they have an aluminum swing arm. So not only is the motorcycle going to be lighter, but it's going to be a lot better when it comes to handling. The last change for the Kratos X is going to be a new display, lot more rich, looks good. There's no official word on the pricing yet. And when you look at this segment as well, when we talk about EV motorcycles, there aren't a lot of EV motorcycles in the market. You have the Revolt on one side of the spectrum, and then you have the expensive, the performance motorcycle from Ultraviolet called the F77. For me, this sits right in the middle, and it's something that we would like to test and try in the near future, and hopefully we'll get you a video on that. Okay, we'll have to take a little bit of a walk because this is one of the bigger two-wheeler pavilions here at the Expo. And as we take this walk, I'm going to show you this cool looking wall that we have in my background, and it houses the new colors of the Kratos R. Now you've already seen the blue, you've already seen the plain white, but this right here is red. And on the very top, which I can't seem to take my eyes off, is that black. I think black looks really cool on any vehicle, bike, car, scooter, whatever there is out there. Black looks really cool, so that's my favorite of the lot. Which one is your favorite? Please do let us know. And not just these solid colors, there is also a decal that you'll see on the white. Again, these are fresh for the year 2023. And apart from the motorcycles that you see here, Tork has also displayed some of their components, which they also do at their showrooms. So if you're in Delhi and want to visit the expo, I think this is one interesting stall that you can come pay a visit at. But there's so much more happening at the 2023 Auto Expo, and I'm sure Cyrus, Karan and Rohan are keeping you entertained with their videos as well. So do it as a like, drop in some comments and share it with your friends. We'll be back with some more.